Years after the raid on Macon, we're heading up an all-out assault on Peleliu Island. No POWs to rescue this time. Our mission? Take the airfield and cripple their supply network. Alongside familiar faces, fresh-faced recruits. The older guys like Miller, Sergeant Sullivan, and myself. We're known as the old breed. Old. We're not even out of our 20s.
It's time.
Good luck, all of you. This is it, Miller.
Okay, keep it together and we'll get through this in 3 days.
There they go. Bastards ain't gonna know what hit them.
Navy's been bombing the hell out of the island for 2 days straight. Miller, you hit any resistance on the beach? You get on that radio and call for immediate missile support.
Don't think twice.
Roma, I want you up the beach and at that tree line ASAP. You're on point as we move inland.
Got it.
What the hell?
Is that one of ours? Fuck. East Ridge. There's a 200mm on the point.
Stay with it, Marine.
Another LBT been hit!
Everyone, keep your heads down. You hear me?
20 seconds!
Hang in there, kid.
We need to get off this thing!
Driver, drop the rail! That truck can zero in on us anytime!
It's the coral! We're stuck on the...
Drop the rail! I got you, Miller! You're still in one piece! Plan's gone to shit! Tojo's got a defensive line dug in junkie on the tree line! We got heavy MG fire tearing up the beach! Call in rocket strikes for those positions! Now!
Waco 8-1, Azabeth 3-5, range 2-8 on the way!
Good work, Marine. Keep through the tree line. Move!
Where's the fire coming from?
Don't let him get a fix on you!
Move! Move! What the hell went wrong? There wasn't supposed to be any resistance!
That rocket strike should have softened him up!
Stay down! What do we do? Get moving! Find the guard!
Everyone ready? Up and over!
Coming this way!
Put him down! MG nest!
Hit the deck!
Flamethrower, move up! Clear.
Fix bayonets! Use them if you have to! Pick it up! Push through their line!
Flight left around the bunker. I'm on it! One-night charge! We're not gonna hold back! Push over at the stone bunker! Stay on him! High south, another MG!
Miller, take it out! Keep it tight!
Here they come!
They're coming over the wall! Stay with me, Miller! Clear out the trenches! Keep pushing! Miller, find some cover! Fast!
This is it!
Cover them! Gotcha! They're coming straight at us!
Not so good!
I can see him! The tree! Good shot, Miller!
What the hell is he doing?
Take him down!
Look alive, man!
In the ground! Stay together!
What do we do?
Everyone, keep a peeled! From here on out, watch the terrain. Regroup at the front. They could be anywhere. Southwest! Gotcha! Get in there! See if you can get a flanking position! They're moving in!
Rocket strike on that MG now! Get rockets on that stronghold! Get some rockets on that position!
Target registered! Firing far back! Alpha Prime! Waco 2-5 effective! Target destroyed! Check your fire! 15 seconds! 10 seconds! 5 seconds! Fire support ready! Stay your target!
Miller, you gotta take him by surprise! Let's get the jump on these bastards! We got him! Hit him hard! Keep firing! They're closing in! Let's find some cover! Up the ladder! Clear them out! More to pit behind us! They've got those squads pinned down! Get on those MGs and tear them up! I'm on it! Enemy cave!
Coordinates received! Waco 2-5 effective! Target destroyed! Check your fire!
Hey! Call in another rocket!
AT barrage available!
Grenade coming at us!
Target registered! Firing far back!
Call those rockets! standing.
Good work. All of you.
Everyone, on me.
Rocket barrage available.
What now, Sarge?
Secure the surrounding area. Wait for the Major's
When
orders.
do we rest?
Soon, Pulaski. Soon.
Sullivan, no! Hold on, you're gonna be okay! Corpsman!